Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today I'm showing you a 73 Ford F100. It's kind of the fancier cab, got the trim and the toolbox, Ranger XLT. Good driving project truck. Runs and starts, seem to have a little mist to it. We checked compression, and compression's okay, so we don't know if we have bad cam or something in that order, but that's how you're buying it. And it's pretty solid old truck, got some surface rust. Definitely not rust free. Cab corner's a little rusty. Dash got some cracks, windshield cracked. They got a saddle blanket on it. Door panels original, so kind of an old truck. There's your typical northern F100/150 rust. Like I said, it was a fancy pickup in its day. Box is pretty decent. Don't seem, oh, right there we got a little bit of rust. Not horrible, but a little bit. You could actually throw a bed liner in that, and that would probably cover that up. That would plug that up. So kind of your typical box rust, and then your dings and dents and surface scratch. So if you're looking for a cheap F100 project, this is very affordable, and you can actually run and drive it the way it is. Today we're showing you our 73 F100. There you can see temp gauge is up, fuel gauge is a little bit off E, and middle of the road oil pressure. Blinker blinking. Blower motor works. And believe it or not, this old cassette player works.
Always wanted it. Well, I mean, you know.
That's hard to believe. Got a hand choke. Wipers work. And dome light works. The only thing doesn't work, horn does not work. It's got a little bit of a mist to her. See, she runs a little rough. That's how you're buying. May need some internal engine work. Otherwise, pretty neat old pickup with a Ranger XLT and pretty much everything that works, so except for the horn. So, and not a total rust bucket, pretty solid truck. So we're out driving our 73 F100. See, it's running nice and cool, and it happens to be like 95 degrees today, so good driving old truck. Tell you, she needs a little bit of motor work with a mist to it, but I mean, you can drive it the way it is. And look, I don't even touch the steering wheel, it goes down the road nice and straight. So, and most everything works. The horn's the only thing doesn't work. So, pretty solid truck. Rust wise, got a little bit over the wheels and then some surface rust, but a real decent project running type truck. Non-air truck, but does have power steering, power brakes, and was a Ranger XLT, so package nice. So if you're looking for a cheap F100, this one's a bargain, I think, at the kind of money we're asking. And if you might need a cam, might need something deeper, but if I remember right, we checked compression, it wasn't that bad. 605-695-7391.